The first step is to simply open Google Sheets, and then you're gonna have to open your project. So what you're gonna have to do is simply go to Format, then go to Number, and here scroll down and click on Custom Date and Time. Now from here you can pick any of these templates if you want. As you can see, we have plenty of them. Now what you can do also is simply click on File in the top left corner and then go to Settings. And here you have Locale, so you can simply select your region, and as you can see, this affects formatting details such as functions, dates, and currency. And after you change from here, you can simply click on Save Settings, and that's all we have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.